Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Become an affiliate. Run an online business. Are you looking for an online business that involves zero or minimal investment? If your answer is yes, then read on. Generally, people think that to run a business they need to invest heavily. With the popularity of internet increasing day by day, you don't have to invest, even a single penny. Starting an online business can be one of the easiest ways to start a business and earn from home. You don't even need an office. The only requirement is a computer with an internet connection. How to start an online business with minimal investment. Now the question in your mind would be that if you don't need an office, and you don't need to invest, then, do you need to do? You need to become an affiliate for a good company and start selling their products to earn commissions. For this you don't need to have your own product, but actually you are just promoting someone else's product to get paid. However, it should be made very clear that this does not mean you don't have to work at all, and by becoming an affiliate you can start getting money by merely sitting at home. After all, you need to promote the products through your website or newsletter. Get a free website. To have a website you don't need to be a web expert. Without knowing any web language you can create a website which will be your virtual office. There are a lot of websites offering free web space without any cost. You just have to register yourself and you can easily develop your own website by just clicking a few links. No need to have HTML knowledge, as you can directly configure your site and choose different background colors for your website. They even provide very useful tools like Page Hit Counter to have a record of the number of visitors visiting your site. Since free website services almost always require you to show the advertisements of the company hosting your site, once you start earning money, it is often a good idea to pay a web hosting company to serve your website. Research affiliate companies. Don't expect high returns from day one. Every business takes some time to establish and to earn profits. Click link below to learn more. However, if you have spent time initially to set up your business, right then it will have the potential to provide good returns over time. Do some research before you choose the right product to promote, that interests you and has good demand in the market. Click link below to learn more. Read more and get paid to write at press.kokoshungsan.net. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net